Since rice is life, we're only having rice today. With toyo and sealant and water. Let's eat. Just kidding. Let's have pork sisig with egg. Let's eat. Life study balance. Get away from the school first and continue at a coffee place. What will we get? We already have a drink. Let's get the caramel cheesecake. This is the caramel cheesecake, and we pair it with Unigreen Jasmine tea. Go. Let's have a break and work at the same time.